Module 1. Entering Personal Details. Welcome to Salestrekker 2.0. In this module, we'll walk through how to enter a client's personal details. This is the first step in building a complete and compliant loan application. Next, creating a new deal. From the dashboard, select Add New in the top right corner. Next, complete the deal title and lead source. You can also enter the loan value if you wish. Nothing else is required at this stage to move to the next step. Next, adding a new contact. Now you will be required to select Add Contact, located in the top right corner. Choose Add New Person. You must complete all of the personal details for this applicant. If you have more than one applicant, you will repeat these steps for each person. Remember that every applicant must have their own individual email address and mobile number. This is important because lenders send digital forms and signing requests to each applicant separately, and these must go to different email addresses. Opening the Personal Details section. Once the applicant has been added, open the file and navigate to the Personal Details section in the left-hand menu. Basic Personal Information. Enter the applicant's legal name exactly as it appears on their identification. Add their date of birth and gender. These details flow through to lender forms and compliance documents, so accuracy is essential. Contact information. Next, make sure that you have entered the applicant's mobile number, email address, and preferred contact method. These fields ensure your client receives notifications and document requests correctly. Residential address. Enter the applicant's current residential address. If they have lived at this address for less than 3 years, Salestrekker 2.0 will prompt you to add previous addresses to meet lender requirements. Identification details. Scroll down to the Identification section. Add the applicant's ID type, such as a driver license or passport, and complete the required fields. This information supports verification and compliance checks. Family relations. After completing the identification details, move to the Family Relations section. Here, select whether the applicants are married, de facto, or single. You will also need to indicate whether they have dependents, and if so, enter the number of dependents and the ages of each dependent. This information is required for lender servicing and must be accurate before moving to the next stage. Employment status. Next, select Employment status. Then choose Add Employment to enter the applicant's work history. Complete all employment details, remembering that lenders require a full 3-year employment history. After entering each job, add the contact details for that employer. If the applicant has multiple jobs or previous roles within the last 3 years, repeat this process until the employment history is complete. Lastly, source of wealth. After completing the employment details, move to the source of wealth section. Here, select the primary source of the applicant's wealth. This may include employment income, business income, savings, investments, inheritance, or other legitimate sources. Providing an accurate source of wealth is a compliance requirement and helps lenders understand how the applicant has accumulated their assets. Saving your progress. When all personal details are complete, click Save at the bottom of the page. Your information is now stored and ready for the next step.